Hi, today we are demonstrating how to containerize in Python Flask application using Docker. At first we have to create an Dockerfile. You can see we are using Nano text editor, you can use any of them. Now we have to select image, we are using Python. Copy all the files in /app. Define the work directory. Use run command to install the requirements.txt. On CMD use this format to run application. Expose the port, we are exposing port 5000. Save the file. Now we are going to package the application into container and run it. Open your terminal and type docker build-d your application /image name Flask app. Note in the last dot is representing all the files are available in current directory. Wait for some time after completing it. Run the container using docker run-dtp, specify the port number and name of the application, hit enter. Now go to your web browser and type localhost 5000 and hit enter. Now you can see our application in running. To stop the container use docker stop an image name. And now the container is stopped. Thanks for watching.